Hey guys, this is Thomas Southern Outdoors Fishing. Hope y'all doing all right. Taking a little trip today, and I got a special guest here with me.
Hello everybody, how are you guys out there? I'm very excited because normally I go to the coast. I'm not a big mountain guy, but I've been convinced by him to come up here and do a little smallmouth fishing today.
This is my first time going out here we're going up to the New River. We're going to do a float trip in our kayaks. We don't have the Hobies today. We got one kayak that was borrowed from our shop, and then I got another kayak that's one I've had for years, my native. And we're just gonna go up here and have fun. Hopefully we can get some big blow-ups on the whopper popper fishing the New River. So I'm excited about it.
I'm very excited about it. I love throwing the whopper popper. August has been a very full month of work for me, so I need a break, and I like the cool mountain water. We were very fortunate. They were calling for thunderstorms all day today, and I don't want to jinx it, but there's not any clouds up there, so hopefully we'll have a good day, a good morning. The water will be nice and cool, and the whopper plopper will be ploppering, and we'll catch some whoppers to go with it.
All right, guys, we'll see y'all in a bit. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we've made it to Sparta. We're getting very close. We're just going through the little town here. Very neat little town. I've never been up here before.
They still have a 5 a dime store here where you can actually sit and get little fountain drinks and sandwiches, which I have a feeling we'll be getting one of those on the way home. There's the big Spartan water tower.
Yeah, there it is. Big. What's the A stand for?
Allegheny.
Ah, okay.
And the person we're going fishing with, his name is Kim Stamper. And here at the Allegheny auto area, they used to have, the ministers would all have a minister's lawnmower race. This is where Tim Stamper will let you tell the story about how he fell off of his lawnmower and another minister ran over him.
Oh God!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! So you'd think that all those ministers are out there just for fun, but oh no, they take that very seriously.
We have made it to our put-in. Yeah, it is a Hobie.
And that's Timothy Stamper.
Ah, okay. Guys, here's the setup for the day. Tim Stamper, Mark's buddy. He brought his Hobie. He don't have his drive-in. All he's got is his cassette. He's going to minimal. Here's Mark's kayak. Very simple. Just got one crate back here with a little bit of food and tackle, water, things like that. He got his PFD, of course, net for all the fish he's going to catch, of course. Got a little bit of food. Got one rod, one reel. One's got a Cinco on it, one's got a whopper popper. I've got my net, pliers, a little hand paddle under my seat. Got some bug spray and stuff down there. Camera stuff, 2 rods, my Cast King rod and reels, whopper popper, and a tube. And that's about it, guys. Alright guys, so right here we're just getting started. Getting ready to go down the river here. The water was up quite a bit. It wasn't up terrible, but it was up quite a bit. Normally we get down through this, from what Mark said, or what he gets down through this in about 7 hours. It took us about 4. So we're moving moving along pretty well. The water's pretty dirty. You can see down a little bit, but it's not clear by any means. I'm just kind of getting used to the way this kayak feels in these rapids, so I'm being kind of careful. I'm just trying to get some time in with that whopper popper too. Get some casting in with it, going through those rapids, because Mark said you really want to cast that thing through those rapids, because that's where all the auction's at for the fish, for them smallmouth, and that's where they're going to be at. And later on I find that out. Right here I get a little wet. There's one good splash. It just got me. And right here Mark tells me if I get on the backside of this rock, and then, or actually the front side, but I couldn't stay here, I get on the backside of it, getting that little eddy right behind it, he said cast into those rapids on the back where he's down there, but casting these rapids here to my right where it's real quick, and he said he usually does pretty good there. He gets out actually down there and wades some. He pulls his kayak up on a rock and wades a little bit, but I'm in a little deeper water right here, so I can't really do that. But I am able to get kind of hinged up here for a minute so I can make a few casts. Right here I try throwing a Cinco, but I don't do any good with it. That water's just moving a little too quick. Believe it or not, guys, it's already lunchtime. So right here is a rock where Mark likes to take a break for lunch. It's just a big rock sitting out here and out of the water, so we pile up on here and take a break
if you don't mind. Okay.
Enjoy a few minutes just talking and get to know Tim a little better, which was a pleasure to meet him. He's a fine gentleman. We're going to eat a little lunch here and head on down the river. Go! Ho!
Nah, you?
Yeah guys, that last clip you just saw was a monster muskie. huge muskie. That just unbelievable, unbelievable. It took my whopper popper just about instantly.
Man, I do too. Golly.
I saw him splash through that tree.
Really?
Oh gosh, yeah.
I have never had a topwater hit like that. Never.
Sometimes my students would tell me you hit the conditions just right. And one boy caught 4 muskies on a Sunday afternoon.
On what?
A broken back bomber.
Oh, okay.
Actually, this stretch of river that we're fishing in, we started at the New River campground, right there on the North Carolina Virginia line, and it goes down 4 miles to where our takeout point is at. That's 4 miles, river miles. It's not a long stretch, but it's a pretty stretch, and there's usually pretty good fishing in it, but just not today. At least until the end, when we finally figure out what it was hitting on.
That was huge.
I hope you got it on camera.
Oh, I did. I just
How close me to you when he first hit it?
me to him, probably.
You never saw the fish coming.
No. It was just one super huge wham.
Did you ever feel the weight of the fish?
For like a split second. And it was gone.
You don't want your tail in swimming around.
No, I don't.
You might actually want to back up and bring it in right there.
Okay.
Because if you step out, you can get about 5 feet of water.
Oh yeah, no, I wasn't gonna get out. I was just gonna kind of sit here for a second.
You want water or anything? Let me get you water out back.
No, I got one right here.
Man, it was a good fish.
That was unbelievable
As soon as it
huge.
blew up, I thought, that sounded like a muskie.
Oh yeah, I knew.
And then when I look back,
Make your guy.
I can't help you.
Yeah.
Let me move my...
Oh no, you're all right.
That's all right.
Yeah.
When it blew up, I thought, that sounded like a big fish.
Mm-hmm.
And then did its head come out again, or did it just splash the top?
I think it splashed, thinking it was hooked and just trying to throw. Well, as soon as it hit, it cut me off.
You're kidding.
No, as soon as it hit, it cut me off. The second time whenever you seen it, the second time
It
was
wasn't connected.
no, it wasn't connected. I was
Careful, you're about ready to get about 1,500 gallons of water put into the top.
yeah, that wouldn't be good.
That was a big fish. I've never seen one in the water like that.
Really? Well, that was.
I didn't think they were in this stretch. All
They
the
definitely
deer
are.
coming up.
Hey.
You fished up by the dam before, haven't you? Thomas, normally we caught 15 or 20 smallmouth down there.
Oh gosh.
But I trade them all for that much.
Oh yeah, if I would have got that much, I would have carried him about anything else. I went home today a happy man.
I can't wait to see the video.
Oh, I can't either. Slow that thing down 60 frames per second in super slow mo. Oh my. Oh gosh. That's gonna be insane.
I just can't believe, I mean, obviously they are. Hard to believe you got king mackerel.
Yeah, I know. You think that was a tiger muskie? That was a tiger muskie. Wow. They are pretty.
How far out do you think we are? An hour? Maybe an hour.
Oh really? Not that far, not that long?
No, because the water's moving so fast.
Oh yeah.
We've been going along a pretty good clip.
Yeah.
This is about twice as fast as normal.
Oh, really?
So we can go below and then paddle back up.
Oh, okay, okay.
We don't have to.
Yeah.
I think it would stay to 2.
Yeah, okay. All right, that's cool.
I just don't want to be coming back through Winston.
Oh, no, 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 no. No, definitely not.
Get home at
Which way is the best way to go down right here? I might go up and come around.
I see these folks going down the river in their kayaks, and I decided I'd follow their route.
Well, guys, I have not caught a smallmouth today, and now it's raining. So, looks like I'm about ready to get soaking wet.
Hey guys, just to give you a synopsis of the day, this camera here died. So anyway, I got the kayaks up. They're out. I'm just waiting for Mark to come back. We stayed dry all day long until we got here at the end. It started pouring down rain, and well, we got wet. We got real wet. Had a fun time. It was a beautiful day up until this little bit of rain, which we're still getting. So, but that's this time of year. That's this area. So we're up here above Sparta on the New River, and the only thing I caught today, well, I didn't catch anything today. I got skunked. But hopefully next weekend with the church group, we'll come up here and we'll slay them. I was able to get my eye on a humongous muskie that I will play here at the end as well. That was incredible. That was the biggest topwater strike I have ever had, and that would have been amazing if I would have got that thing in here. Mark's on his way. I don't know if you can see his headlights there. He's on his way. We're gonna get this stuff here loaded up, and yeah, we're going to head on back to Greensboro. Go! Ho!